Parang masarap to.
Alam mo, gusto ko to kasi dahil yung health benefits. Yung ikaw na.
Okay.
Mati is actually also known for their pomelo kasi they have the sweetest pomelo. As in, like, ang dami kong pomelo na nakain doon.
Tuwing break namin, parang ito yung automatic na hinahanap namin lagi. Makita mo kung saan kami pero umuya kami ng kumain. Ano yan?
This is from Kalipay.
Kalipay
Kalipay lang
Cafe.
tayo bumili, ha? It's actually, ito hindi natin to natikman. Nandun tayo. This is durian ice cream.
Actually, hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng durian ice cream.
Amoy na amoy mo yung durian. Amoyin mo. Ayan.
Well,
Game. Cheers.
cheers.
It's actually good.
Actually, masarap
I
siya.
didn't expect na.
Ako rin.
Very creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Melty. It's so good. Sana lahat ng masasarap ng kinain namin ngayon, matry nyo rin pag pumunta kayo sa Mati.
So, sana manood kayo ng movie na Fleeting. It's part of...
Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. So, I hope you guys join us. It's from March 14 hanggang 25 yan.
See you there.
Thank you!